Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So XRP is doing what XRP does best, which is moving in corrective structures. We are currently moving in a pattern that suggests higher highs and higher lows. However, the move is not impulsive at all. It's a really difficult structure to navigate. I mean, overall, XRP has been respecting the wave counts and the breakout to the upside might be underway. You might remember from previous videos that we were watching for higher prices, targeting that upside target box. I've changed the color to blue, which I'm starting to do for all these extension levels. But the idea is here, 74 cents plus is sort of the beginning of that upside target zone. And the idea was that either from a triangle pattern, we would break out to the upside, or more directly here in the yellow scenario. And it's currently going that way. It's just not a very stable structure. And I just want to warn you that XRP is just doing XRP things. So XRP is just moving in corrective patterns. These are not stable. And corrective patterns, yeah, they don't provide much stability. So that's the main problem here. But let's talk about the two structures, bullish and bearish scenario, or let's say short-term bullish and short-term bearish, and how it affects the pattern and what the key levels are, because it's all about the key levels. It's all about the pivots between the bullish and bearish scenarios. So the idea was, well, it's been for a while actually, that an X wave, which is a corrective wave low, bottomed in July. And then this means we're now moving higher in wave Y, which is somewhere up there. And in wave Y, we're moving up in an A wave, okay, and the B wave and the C wave. So it is possible that this B wave already bottomed, which would be the yellow wave count. 1 second, let me go back. So A wave, B wave, C wave. And the C wave is already unfolding, but it would have to move up in a diagonal structure. So wave 1, wave 2, this could be wave 3, then 4, then 5. That's the problem. And the yellow count is technically valid as long as we're holding above the wave 2 low, which is the 50.3 cent level, so the swing low from Friday the 6th. That needs to hold. And that's, however, really the invalidation point of the main pattern, okay? So we don't really want a wave 2. Well, the wave 2 has to, well, if we are in the third wave, right, that low needs to hold, so the wave 2 low, or we are not in the third wave. That should make sense. The problem is that the microstructure is all corrective, so I don't have a very reliable or stable structure to work with. And because the wave 1 is an ABC structure, the third wave would also be an A, B, C structure. And that's okay. That gives us another key level to watch. So based on this microstructure, to keep this yellow micro count and roadmap alive, the price should really hold above the 57.6, 57.7 cent level. And in this scenario, we could be in a C wave up, and it would subdivide again in 5 waves. I mean, is this a wave 1? Maybe. Is this a wave 2? Maybe. 3, 4, 5, okay? This would be ideal. Therefore, we have a key level here, which is at around, 57.7 cents. The thing is, the move down currently looks like a 3-wave move, but if it turns into a 5-wave move, then this might be a first indication that we're going to break below the key level. Because if it's a corrective pullback, ABC, it might move higher, okay? If it's a 5-wave move down, it might just need one more low for that, then it's going to be difficult for the bulls. That's how it is. The problem is the move up is also not in 5 waves. Now you might call it 5 waves. It doesn't really look like the right proportions to me, but might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe. The 5th wave is a bit too long to be reliable, but it's okay, you know. That's why we want to, sometimes you see distortions on these smaller time frames. Regardless of what the micro count is and the microstructures, the key level is clear. So I'm going to watch for higher prices as long as above the red line. Below the red line, the short-term bearish count might play out. This is new, but we need a short-term bearish count. If this is playing out, then the move down here into the August low was wave W. This here is all kind of a corrective move up. Oh, there's something missing there, but it would be wave W. Then here A, B, C in wave X. I need to label that. And then the Y wave down. And then we could be targeting 45 cents or 41 cents next. So yeah, in this structure, I just need to label it. Probably accidentally deleted it. It would be an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave in wave X. So let me change here the wave degree and labeling like that. That's how I see it. And this should give you all the levels really that matter. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.